Yo, what is going on? Welcome back to Big Board Tactical. Here we are doing a second part of the 350 Legend. Here's the Radical Arms upper with a Delta Team Tactical lower, Anderson bolt carrier, and Recon 1 Tactical trigger. So some of the details that I missed in the last video, that I might also be repeating some of them, is that initially the 350 Legend was made by Winchester. When the round was designed by Winchester, was designed for the states that are limited to shotgun or straight wallet, like this magazine. The 350 Legend was initially a bolt action rifle before it came in the AR platform. And like I said, it's a straight wallet magazine. This one is a 10 round magazine. You can see the difference with the 458 silicone magazine and GI 223-556 magazine. The other difference too is the 223-556 300 blackout. This here is a 300 blackout round. This one is a 223 and the 350 Legend. The effectiveness of the 223-556, it's between 400 and 600 meters. The 300 blackout, it's about 460 to like 700 with a lot of power, while the 223-556 is going to have less power, less energy. The 350 Legend, it's about 185 to 250 meters. But keep in mind that this is a deer hunting cartridge or hogs. And when you compare it to a 30-30, the 30-30 has an effective range of approximately 150 to 200 yards or meters, 250 meters possible. And then when you compare also the prices of the 350 Legend, like I said before, you know, this box I only paid $9 for it, for 20 rounds. 20 rounds is a 300 blackout right now. It's about $29. So therefore, the 350 Legend, it's less expensive. The 223 is one of the most common rounds, along with the 9mm bullet. They're the most common rounds. And for reloading, that makes it a whole lot easier to do the reloads, because some states don't allow hunting with a bottleneck cartridge like the 556 223. Therefore, you can use the 350 Legend. What else can I say about this? When you compare the 350 Legend to the 300 or the 308, which essentially the 300 blackout is a 308 on a 223-556 cartridge, you'll be paying a whole lot less money. I hope you guys like this second part of the review, and very soon, in a couple of weeks, we'll be taking this bad boy out for hunting, get some deer. I hope you guys liked the video, found it informative. I hope you like it, share, and subscribe, and tell all other of your friends about it. Have a good day.